Letter number 75. To Muawiyah, soon he was sworn in. Muhammad ibn Omar, Waqidi has mentioned this in his Kitab al-Jamal. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. From the servant of Allah, Ali Amir al-Mu'mineen to Muawiyah son of Abu Sufyan. Now, you are aware of my excuses before you people and my shunning you till that happened which was inevitable and which could not be prevented. The story is long and much is to be said. What was to pass has passed and what was to come has come. Therefore, secure my allegiance from those who are with you and come in a deputation of your people to me, and that is an end to the matter.